Hey guys, me again. I plan on having a video coming up. Me and my little brother Tyler made a pretty funny one, and I'm just trying to understand how to download it. You're probably wondering why I'm not wearing a short. That's because I'm homesick. I threw up once. Yeah. So I'm really just informing you about a new video coming up. And a new segment I want to have called Funny Noises. This one's a baby crying. Sounds like my neighbor. Here's the next one. This one's an inappropriate noise. Now that one's a weird noise. Supposedly I do really funny. Say when I'm like bus thinks it's funny. That sounds like upstairs in my room. Anyway. Next noise is called a quack. Quack. That was more gay than funny. That was more like if Foley made a word called faggy, it'd be like fagalicious. So yeah, pretty gay. Yeah, you guys need to be nice to gay people. Gay people are just like us, except that they're boys that like playing with other boys. So you guys need to be kind to everyone, be nice and friendly. Oh yeah, P.S. Check out one of my subscribers called Natural Talent. He got some hilarious videos. Check him out. Watch mine more. Anyway, well, this is me signing off. Peace out, guys.